Ever thought about making your own animated Bible story video that inspire, educate, and maybe even brings in some extra income? Guess what? You can! Stick around because I'm about to show you one way to do it, step by step, without breaking the bank. You don't need loads of animation skills, just a few AI tools and a little creativity. I'm in ChatGPT. I want to create a Bible story, and here's the first prompt that I gave it. So it gave me these. Then I asked it to give me some more, so I'd have more choices to work from. After looking through all of these, I eventually chose the widow's offering. Then I asked ChatGPT for a short 1 to 3 minute script based on this idea and a few other details. Here's the prompt to write the script. ChatGPT divided the story into 3 sections. After that, I asked it for detailed image prompts, including the characters, what they're wearing, etc. Then I broke the story down further into individual scenes and made individual image prompts for each scene. After doing this for the whole story, now I'm ready to go to the next step. Time to do the narrations for the story. I'm in 11 Labs, and I'll take my story and put it in here. So now I have everything the narrator says all put in here in one file, and I've chosen my voice. If you want to search for other voices, come over here, click on this. Then just click on the triangle to listen to how they sound. Now I'll generate my speech. Once it's done, you just click right here to download it. So I'll do that for all my different voices. Then once I'm ready, I'll go on to the next step. Now it's time to create the images for my story. I'm in Leonardo, which is one of my favorite AI art generators. I'll show you a few I've already made. Following these examples, I hope you get the inspiration to make some for yourself. So basically, I went to image creation and chose Phoenix 9. I left all these as is since I'm on a free plan. I did use a fixed seed, and I put the number there. This, for example, is one of my prompts. They're very detailed. This is how many coins it costs to make the images, but it does make really nice ones. Let me show you a few that I've already made. This is the temple courtyard at the beginning of the movie. These are some of the guys in the courtyard collecting coins from all the people. Next, I created these. You can see they look pretty good. You can also look at the settings here to see what I used. I created several pictures so I'd have plenty to work with. Once all my images are ready, it's time to go to the next step, which is actually animating these and turning them into little mini videos. If you want to enhance the quality of your final video, consider upscaling your AI-generated images before adding them to your project. That's what I did. Upscaling improves resolution, sharpens details, and makes your visuals look more professional, especially if you plan to use them in high-definition videos. This step is completely optional, but it can make a big difference in the overall look of your animation. Now I'm going to turn my images into little mini videos. I'm going to try something new today. I'll be working with a site called FreePic. I'll take my images and come into the AI video generator area here and work with that. It's not free, but they do have very reasonable prices, especially the first 2 plans. So if you're not making bazillions of videos, either one of these might be perfect for you. I want to show you a little inside here. So I'm going back to my account, and I'll show you a few videos that I've made, and I'll make one with you in a few minutes so you can see the process. These are all from the images I made in Leonardo. Let's open this one. You can see it is now a really nice video. I'll show you a couple more. These were done using the Cling option. When you sign in, you have several options. This gives you a good idea of the different things that are in here. This is where you actually create your video. I'm just going to take an image and drag it in here to start. It automatically kind of enhances your prompt. If you click here, you can choose any of these. Then you click Generate. There's a lot of different choices you can make as far as which generator you're using too. It only takes a few minutes per video in my experience so far. Right now, I'm just going to click Generate. It's pretty fast. I will come back to this later when it finishes. For now, I will show you a few other things in here. It does a really nice job, and it's not that expensive compared to some of the other AI video generators out there. Earlier this morning, when I was working on these others, it took probably less than 2 minutes per video. Here are some of the different tools that are available inside here. Okay, now the video is done. Let's watch. That'll work. So this is what I'm going to do with all my images that I need for my story. Once I'm through with all this, the next thing will be putting everything together. Now I'm in Canva, and I'm ready to put this all together. So first I'll choose Video. Just click on YouTube Video or Video and choose the 1920 by 1080 ratio. I've already opened up several pages. If you don't know how to do that, you click on this button. To save time, I've already added my narration that I recorded in 11 labs. I've added it loosely in the order that it should be. I can always change this if needed. So once I've got my voices in order, the next thing I'll do is start adding my videos in Canva. So I'll grab my videos and drag them over here. Now they're uploading. Next, I'll go back here to the beginning and start putting these in and shift things around to make my narration and my videos match up. Once I add a video to a page, I'll choose Set as Background to make it fit the whole page. As I'm watching, I'll listen to make sure everything is in the right order. I'll also come into the narration and get rid of most of these empty spaces. To do this, you right-click where you want the split to be in the audio, then choose Split Audio to make the cut. Now you can move the clips around to delete that empty space and make the pace of the movie better. If you want to see it bigger, click right here. Then that way you can blow that up to make this area easier to work with. This is pro tip that really helps you make better sounding movies. Now you know how to do that process. So I'll keep adding my videos here. Once that is done, it is time to add transitions between scenes. I added simple dissolves to this one, and at the end, I added a little message to tie the story all together. Lastly, if you wanted to, you could add music, sounds, and more to make this even more unique. For now, I won't do that. But once you're finally done with your video, go to File, go to Download, make sure MP4 is chosen, and all your pages are included too. Click on Download, and your video will be ready to upload to YouTube very soon. Okay. So that's the process for making a Bible story video using Canva and other AI tools. Let's watch it together.
It was a busy day at the temple in Jerusalem. People came from all around, bringing their offerings to God. Some were rich, but among the crowd, unnoticed by most, was a poor widow. Her clothes were worn, her hands rough from hard work. She reached into her small pouch and pulled out 2 tiny coins, all she had left. No one clapped or praised her, but Jesus noticed. He called his disciples over and said,
"Do you see that woman? She has given more than anyone else here today."
But she only gave 2 tiny coins, while others gave bags of gold.
The others gave out of their wealth, but she gave out of her poverty. She gave everything she had to God, trusting Him completely.
Jesus wasn't impressed by the amount people gave. He cared about their hearts. The rich gave what they wouldn't miss, but the widow gave with love and trust. True giving isn't about how much we have, it's about how much we trust God.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.